Hey guys, we have another TikTok exclusive. So we have Dr. Melaxin. This is their two-piece deal. This is their kojic acid, their TX kojic acid retinol eye patch, and it of course comes with the um, two-piece deal with the Dr. Melaxin Melaxin ferulic eye cream. So eye cream. I'm not a stranger to eye cream and eye products. Of course, I use several different things over my teens all the way now to my 30s. For under eye, of course, the dark circles that sometimes appear from the deep dark, deep understanding of the known and unknown of the body. So Dr. Melaxin has something to solve that issue as well. Other than, of course, your iron or maybe iron deficiency, check with your physician, of course. Dr. Melaxin has their ferulic eye cream, which is going to lift, plump, and, of course, and revitalize. This particular duo is to specialize in targeting, designed for anti-aging, puffiness, and, of course, dark spots with these two as the combination, of course. Um, Also, this right here, it comes in these come in a 18 count of the convenient eye patches for, of course, regular use. They contain 2% TX kojic acid and, of course, 2% ferulic acid for effective results. I have no complaints with Dr. Melaxin products. I really like them. Also, let's see here. This capsule infused formula provides a balanced approach to eye care, is what they state. And like I said, a good eye cream. I'm not a stranger to eye cream, and of course, eye patches and things of the nature, face masks. It's pretty much a win-win. Like I said, I even have other additional products to try out from Dr. Melaxin. This is their oyster peptide cream and several other different products as well. I actually am going to receive eventually. I'm waiting for them. I'm waiting for them. Um, but check out this particular duo. Their targets their eye cream and eye patch duo in the Dr. Melax's Mela CE collection. And their kojic acid retinol eye patches, 18 count. I mean 16 count. What was it 60? Oh wait, they give you 60 patches. I thought it was 18, but it's 60 patches. So 60 count eye patches with the kojic acid for in retinol eye patch cream, infused eye patches, 60 count, and then you have the Dr. Melaxin's Mela CE Ferulic Eye Cream. Of course, you know I'm going to use these. They're not up for discussion and debate. Of course, I'm going to use these. Make sure you check out and click the link below, and check out some of their other Kojic products. I love their turmeric Kojic toner pads and several other different things. Their serum and their calcium serum, moisturizer and facial creams and things of the nature. Very high quality, very convenient, right here in the TikTok shop. Love the products. It's like a no complaints. They work instantly. So just test them out for yourself. Click the link below, and I would love to hear your results.